Good afternoon, students. This is SP Smart School Learning Program. The subject is chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss what is pH and what is the effect of pH in everyday life.
Does pH only have to do with solutions in the laboratory? Or does it in daily life? Did you know that when acid rain flows into the rivers, the overall pH of the water reduces? And living organisms cannot survive if the change in pH is too much. In such cases, survival of aquatic animals becomes difficult. What about survival of plants? What's the most important factor for the healthy growth of a plant? Yes, it's the soil. Plants require a specific pH of the soil for healthy growth. Plants cannot grow if the soil is too alkaline or too acidic. So if the soil is too acidic, its pH can be raised by adding lime, which neutralizes the excess acid in the soil.
We can also use calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide, which neutralizes the soil and makes it best suitable for growing of plants.
Similarly, if the soil is too alkaline, then its pH can be lowered by adding gypsum or some other substance which can neutralize the excess alkali present in the soil.
We can also add manures and fertilizers. We are acidic in nature. So, the soil basic and acidic substance added is equal to the neutralization of the soil.
And does it affect us too? By now, you should know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which helps in digestion. Sometimes, if too much acid is produced, it causes pain and irritation. It can even cause ulcers. In order to treat this hyperacidity, a patient is advised to take antacid tablets or antacid suspensions. And these antacids neutralize the excess acid. Magnesium hydroxide, a mild base, is often used for this purpose. And the reaction looks something like this. The acid is neutralized to get salt and water. What about the pH in our mouth? Yes, the pH in our mouth also has an effect on our teeth. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance in our body and does not dissolve in water and mildly acidic solutions. However, it gets corroded slowly when the pH in the mouth falls below 5.5. But how does the pH fall below 5.5? When we eat food, some food particles remain stuck to the teeth. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acid by the degradation of the sugar and food particles present in the mouth. This is what causes decaying of the teeth. What's the best way to avoid this? We should clean our mouth after eating food. And something even better would be to avoid eating sugary foods. Cleaning the teeth using toothpastes help in preventing tooth decay. Toothpastes are generally basic and hence they neutralize the excess acid in the mouth and prevent tooth decay. The concept of pH also helps in understanding the self-defense used by certain animals and plants. If you've ever been stung by a honeybee, do you know what really caused that acute pain?
Bee sting contains methanoic acid, or which is also called as the formic acid.
So if we use a mild base like baking soda around the stung area, it gives us some relief. And in nature, there are leaves which have stinging hair and they inject acid upon touching them.
These are nettle leaves and which also contains the methanoic acid. So this also can be neutralized by using baking soda, which is basic in nature. So this is all about the pH in everyday life.